Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something really handy to share with you all. We're going to dive into the process of mounting ISO files in Windows 10. Now, you might be wondering, what's so special about this? Well, it's actually a built-in feature in Windows, but surprisingly, not many people are aware of how to do it. So, let's demystify that today. Now, here's the catch. If you've tried to open an ISO file before, you might have noticed that it doesn't quite behave like a disk. That's probably because another program is set as the default for opening ISO files. For example, here, mine defaults to opening with WinRAR. To change this, simply right-click on the ISO file. Then you have it to go to Open with, then select Choose Default Program. From here, choose Windows Explorer and make sure to check the box that says Always use this app to open ISO files. Click OK. Now, if you look at the icon, it should have changed to a little disk, indicating that it's now associated with Windows Explorer. And guess what? It's already mounted on your computer, just like a physical disk. You can access its contents as if you had inserted a real disk. But wait, there's more. You can even right-click on the mounted ISO and eject it whenever you're done. Super convenient, right? And if you ever need to mount that same image again in the future, it's as simple as right-clicking and choosing Mount. Done. And there you have it, folks. That's how you mount ISO files in Windows 10. It's a built-in feature that's incredibly useful once you know how to use it. No need for external programs or complicated setups. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.